Mindful acceptance. What is it and what is it good for you? You hear the word all the time. There are two factors that make mindful acceptance the best coping mechanism ever. One, it's for things that you don't like, something that's causing distress. It could be something physical like a sore shoulder or a headache. It could be something emotional, the feeling of anxiety or sadness. It could be just a dog barking, somebody talking too long. The second factor in which you will want to use mindful acceptance is that you can't solve it. You've already tried everything. There's no fix, there's no cure. You're going to have to cope with it. Now, the first thing that you got to do is observe the very thing that's upsetting you. You try to pay attention to it. You don't distract yourself. You don't go on a video. You don't chat with friends. You pay attention to the very thing that's causing the distress. It kind of goes against the natural grain where you kind of want to get away from it. Number two, you are going to allow without trying to fix or control it. You're going to mentally invite and welcome the very thing that you are being distressed by to exist. And when you do this, something changes. You'll begin to have less distress over it. You'll begin to see that it is tolerable and it is temporary. And those are the two things you want to remind yourself. I can tolerate this. And the biggie, the kicker is, I know that this is temporary. All I got to do is wait it out. If you practice mindful acceptance, you'll see a lot of the things that are distressing you now will begin to have a lot less upset to them. Leave a comment, go over to YouTube, check out Psychologyworks for longer videos, and I'll see you in the next one.